From Rachel Ray to Wolfgang Puck, these TV chefs turn a passion for food into culinary empires. We've got the scoop on your favorite celebrity chefs. Wolfgang Puck's career began when he opened LA restaurant Spago in 1982. Fast forward to today, and he owns more than 20 fine dining restaurants, is the official caterer of the Academy Awards, and has appeared on more than 50 TV shows, including Iron Chef and Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Rachel Ray went from the host of a Food Network series to hosting her own daytime talk show. Rachel Ray became a household name thanks to Oprah Winfrey, and now she's reportedly worth $60 million. Another TV chef darling and Food Network it girl is Giada De Laurentiis, who's best known for Giada at Home and is worth $15 million. But she's used to the limelight. Her father was a movie producer.
Well, you know, I come from a Hollywood sort of family, but behind the scenes more than in front of the camera. And so, yes, there's a lot less privacy.
This next chef spent less time cooking and more time eating. Andrew Zimmern is known for his Travel Channel series, where he travels the world searching for bizarre foods.
I have a passion for traveling and eating because of the transformative power of food and travel.
And Andrew revealed the craziest thing he's eaten recently.
I had raw camel liver in an Egyptian restaurant there, and grilled camel kidneys.
For more on where to eat, stay, and drink, log on to eatstaydrink.com.